Jeff, I think this is your client calling. Excuse us 1 second. Listen to this, guys. Listen. Hi, Mr. Edwin. How are you?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
I'm good. My husband had actually called you to come by to do the job, but I think he said he didn't get an answer. And then when I text you, we didn't get you either. Were you still interested in services?
Oh yes, absolutely. I just realized, yeah. So I just kind of remember back. I might have got it mixed up. It was a 678-457 number. I might have got it mixed up.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. That was him calling you. So now you're ready for your services?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Sorry about that. Absolutely. When I got on the phone with you, I went to go feed my deal with my puppies and try to get them sleep. But yeah, absolutely.
Okay, now I'm just being nosy. What kind of puppies you have?
Masters.
Oh, those them big dogs.
Yeah. My girl way more than me. Yeah.
Oh my God, are any of them like full grown?
Well, no, I got like 5. My girl, she's about like 2 years and 2 months. They don't get full grown till they're 3 years, but she's my biggest though, and the rest of them, my other girl will be 2 years in January.
Oh,
2 years like in they all about to hit like 2 years. And
do you sell them?
Nah, I don't sell them. It's just I got a real love for puppies. So I really always wanted a mastiff. I got one. I fell in love with the breed, and I ended up with 5. Like traveling all around the nation, just trying to get the best mastiff I can get. And
that is so sweet. Well, I'm glad I'm not coming today because I have a terrible fear of dogs. So my husband is coming.
Oh wow, really?
Yes, sir, I do. So when I heard you earlier, I said, you know what? I got to be nosy and see what kind of puppies these are. So, but my husband is a notary. Also, he's equally qualified, so he will be there for you. 3:30. Can that work for you now?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, he'll be there for you at 3:30. Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Well, I look forward to meeting you face to face one day.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Likewise. My pleasure. Have a good day. Okay.
All right, you too. Have a great day.
Bye. You're welcome.
All right, bye.
I'm glad that kind of happened. So this guy, let me make sure I'm off the phone. He been calling me for 2 weeks. You never know when they gonna come through. That's why when he didn't answer earlier, I'm like, this is it. Stick a fork in it. I'm done with him. And Jeffrey called him to confirm the appointment because he wanted it for 3. And then when Jeffrey called, he didn't answer. So I'm like, okay, is he playing games or what? He's ready for you, babe. If you couldn't tell. He's talking about he got 5 mastiffs. I'm like, what? Y'all already know. I don't care if they puppies or not. He talking about them like they women too. He said, my girl.
That's a trunk notary. That's a trunk
notary for real.
Yeah.
That's the back of your car notary.
We're not even going in your house, player.
You already know. He talking about because earlier he couldn't even do the job because he said they got to take a nap. He said they won't let me go nowhere. Yes. I've been talking to him today since what, 11:30?
And you know,
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock because it was supposed to be at 3.
I respect that about people now. The way I don't care for puppies. I mean, I will treat all creation kind, but some people take it to a whole, when it comes to their pet, their animal, it's a whole nother level. They are family.
Yeah,
so
like, my girl.
You have to be respectful of how you talk about their animal, look at their animal, question about their animal, because their animals are their family.
Careful. Sorry, Ken.
No.
He talking about if he get mangled, we know why.
Yeah, we definitely would know why. But
my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
All right.
And
go ahead, babe. And then we're gonna get
It just made me think how when I went to South Dakota, everybody there owned a dog. And their dog is not just a dog. Their dog is their family. They love that dog. They love their animals. They love their pet. You must respect the animals. And that made me think as my business grow and I do have to go into a home, try to control how I really feel and what I really think, because some people, their animals are animal lovers. I'm not. I'm an animal respecter. I respect them. I don't deliberately try to run over a squirrel or nothing else for that matter. I I respect all life, but I'm not fond of them.
That's so funny. Well, they all know how I feel about pets. If you brand new here, you already know your girl don't like them. Not in a bad way like my sister. I'm not getting ready to hurt nobody's pet, but I definitely don't want them on me or my
Mm-mm,
documents. Okay?
mm-mm, mm-mm.
We gotta take control of the
Ditto,
situation.
ditto. On that one.
I almost had a panic attack a few weeks ago. I came out of a house and I had dog fur all over me. I was just like,
Yeah.
oh my God. Oh my, I was live too. I was in the car. I was like, oh my God. I'm looking, I'm like, oh. All right, let's get Diamond's question. Ms. Diamond says, also, how long is your special running, Kimmi? Asking due to my current reserves. Oh, Diamond, it's not a special, hon. So it's not a special. It's the regular price, the 27 or the 47. If you're just getting started, and that's another reason why this year, 2025, typically don't date videos for YouTube purposes. We'll learn that over in the Creators Club. But anyway, look, in the Creators Club with Coach Kimmi. But yeah, that's why I put the prices the way I did, each one teach one, because is the course is worth more? Yeah. So some people may feel like, well, why is it so cheap? Just because I'm trying to help people out. Real facts. Real facts. When my group to come together on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, whatever day we meet, and they tell their stories, we did a whole success show. If you missed it, if you missed the whole success show, it is on the internet, on the webpage at Notary Educators. Watch that. We're going to do another one for next month. I think every month we're going to start doing that because sometimes we don't realize how far we've come. Even kudos to my sister. I mean, honestly, we're cut from a different cloth when it comes to documentation. She does the blood work. I do the paperwork. So for her to even have the courage to step over in this space, kudos. I mean, I know that's not easy. She likes people, but she don't love people.
But I love money. I like money.
She loves money. So she's not the big people person. I love people. So, but she's doing her thing. People do love her. That's the other thing about it. People love my sister. So our clients that we've done together so far, so when people say, well, Kimmi giving you upper hand, yeah, she got a little bit because she lived right down the street. She's my blood sister. So of course I'm going to help her out, but I don't do any more for her than I do for my clients and for my community. Lisa will tell you, she's right here in Georgia. Lori's in Illinois. So Lori joined us one time on a free thing I did. And next day she signed up. She had 15 documents waiting on her. So that's why she signed up, because she had this big job that she didn't know how to do. And she knocked it out the ballpark. She taught a session on our thing last week. She's been with us for a while. Here go Lori right here. So Lori's,
Lori.
She did what she does. And so yeah, anybody can get started with the $27 plan. Again, it's not junk courses. It's the real deal. And you can sign up there, and then you can always upgrade. But we want you to start making money. So the reason I kept it low is, again, I want everyone to win. No more excuses. When I first wrote out the plan, just a little backstory, because some of y'all seem like you may be new. When I first wrote out the program, I was like, I'm not doing mentorship, because everybody was like, do you mentor? Do you mentor? Do you mentor? What they really meant was, can I call you anytime I get ready to? I'm not really trying to learn the business. I want you to do everything with me, for me. No. So once I really figured out how to roll it out, I said, you know what? I'm going to roll out my courses. Everybody can have access. Great. People loved it. They was like, you mean you're going to let us watch all your courses for whatever the price was at that point? Yes. But then I thought about it. I told Jeffrey, I said, you know what? I really want people to win. I want success stories. I want people making money in these notary streets. Okay. We got somebody in this chat. I'm not going to tell their name, because that's their business. But they had one document last week that was a notarization. It wasn't even an apostille, over $150. Okay. So it's happening. It's real. Now, my people are really shy when it comes to getting on camera, and I get that. That's why I'm starting a Creators Club with Kimmi, because I want y'all to come out of that and start making some of this digital money. A lot of y'all have stories. Every one of y'all watching me right now has a story. It may not be a notary story, but you may have, like Kay Denise. I was trying to get her to do one about her medical assistant journey. People want to learn, how do I become a medical assistant? What uniforms do I need? What school do I need? What books do I need? What is it to be a traveling nurse? People want to know that kind of stuff. So everybody watching me right now, I want you to do notary to get even jumpstart what you're doing. to jumpstart your next business. Because that's what I'm doing now. I'm taking my notary money and now I'm going to start Creators Club. I was going to show y'all my logo. Let me show y'all really quick. Okay, last thing, Kay Denise, and we're going to get ready to get out of here. Let me show y'all my new website. Let me pull it up. Let me show y'all my new website because I'm so excited. It's getting closer for the rollout. But I really want y'all to think about your notary business. But in addition to that, find something that can give you a second income. I'm going to let Kay Denise talk to that in a moment because she got so tired of just really working 9 to 5. So she like, it's something else I can do. So let me show them my website and I'll let you tell that last part of your story and then we'll start getting out of here. Any questions you have, please drop it. I'm going to share this last thing with y'all. Hold on. Let me pull up Creators Club. Don't sign up over there for nothing yet because it ain't operating, okay? But I just want to show y'all Creators Club so y'all can get a little taste of what's coming. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me share screen. And y'all can see the Creators Club. Share. Okay, so this is Creators Club with Kimmi. A friend of mine did that logo for me. And you know what's the funny thing about it? And this is even for your notary business. All roads lead back to whatever you're doing. I've been planning this for over a year. It was Business Life with Kimmi. I'm rebranding and now it's Creators Club with Kimmi. And it's going to roll out, like I said, probably next month. No later than December, but hopefully next month. Anyway, well, we're already in this month, actually, aren't we? But hopefully the end of this month, first of next month. Anyway, my friend made this logo for me. After he made the logo, it got all the juices. I was like, I got to get this thing popping. So same thing with you guys. Once you start getting one thing together, it motivates you to do something else. So this is some of the course collection right here for Creators Club. So for those of you not, and again, this is not where I'm trying to get you to come over there. I just want to show you one thing can lead to another. So start your brand, your online brand, Google My Business, websites, Canva, marketing, how to write an ebook, how to sell courses, how to do a podcast, how to do AI, how to blog, how to do a community, how to hire your first virtual assistant, how to do YouTube, pricing, business credit, affiliate. Do you guys see how much money is out here that you can make? Now, is all of it going to come from one source? No. Do I make all of my money from any one thing? I do not. Okay, I don't. However, I just want to teach you how to get some of it. Okay, some resources here. So that is Creators Club with Kimmi. That is Creators Club with Kimmi. So it is coming. It is coming. Be on the lookout. So let's get y'all last few questions while Kay Denise mentions her motivation about working full time and all that.